Hi, it's Donkey Shot, and in this video I'm going to talk about shortcuts in the FX panel. Well, there are two types of shortcuts. We have internal and global shortcuts. And let me just quickly go to panel settings and go to the shortcuts area. And we see the internal shortcuts, which are depending if you're using Mac or Windows. I have for the Mac the command and arrow buttons. I have the enter. I have the number, backspace. So when the panel is selected, I can use command and the arrow files to navigate through the panel. I can hold the option key, press enter to enter preset options, go back, toggle between the list view and the image view, and also apply preset and undo all presets. When I leave the FX panel and create a new layer and, for instance, start painting something and try to do the same shortcuts, you realize that I'm moving the layer and nothing actually happens within the FX panel. So to use the FX panel while working in Photoshop, you want to use global shortcuts. So once again, go to panel settings and activate the global shortcuts section. And here you'll find the commands under file scripts. So in Photoshop, when I go to file scripts, we see all those different commands for the FX panel right here. So I can select the next preset, the previous preset, I can create a preset, enter the preset options, I can undo the presets, and I do have 5 custom shortcuts, which can be defined separately. The only thing I need to do is I need to assign shortcuts to those commands. And to do so, open the shortcuts window in Photoshop, or just simply hit the button here in the FX panel and navigate to File, as it says File Scripts. And here they are. So all I need to do is now assign shortcuts. This here, something like that. I can even assign individual shortcuts. And that's it for now. Click Accept and OK. So when I go back now in the panel and I select the layer, start drawing again, I can now either select next preset over the commands in the menu, or I can just simply navigate with my designated shortcuts. So this is pretty nice if you do have a device like a Wacom tablet or Logitech Craft keyboard with a crown wheel where you can apply those shortcuts. Besides that, we do have those 5 custom shortcuts, and to assign any function to those, go back to the panel settings and open the global custom shortcuts area, and then we have the custom shortcut 1, which would be this here, and I can assign either a preset or a view. So let's start with the preset. I want the copy document preset with a custom preset, let's say 50% of the original image, and I could assign that to my first custom shortcut. And for the second custom shortcut, I want to have a view. Let's say I want to view all my looks in image view. So let's just go back, and when I assign my first shortcut, that's what happened. I copied the document 50%, and when I apply the second one, I switch to looks in image view. Well, so that's how you use shortcuts in the FX panel. And once you figure out how to do it and you assigned all your shortcuts, I'm pretty sure you're going to have an amazing workflow.